Hello and welcome to the Big Basket channel. Who doesn't like clean surroundings? And to help you make the process easy, let me show you some quick kitchen cleaning tips today. By the way, do you have your basket full of groceries? Then I can help you check it out for free. Make sure to watch this video till the end for hidden and exciting giveaway challenge. Now quickly subscribe to the channel and let's begin dealing with different problem areas in the kitchen. So to begin cleaning, we'll be making some DIY cleaners, which contains vinegar and baking soda as the basic cleaning agent. The first cleaning issue is removing the hard stains and sediments inside the kettle. And to clean that, the quickest trick is to first fill the kettle with half a cup of water. Now into the kettle, add around 2 tablespoons vinegar and that's it. DIY kettle cleaner is ready. All that is left is boiling this water in the kettle. Once the water is boiled, take the water out. I will save this water to make some more use of it. And that's it. That's how easily the kettle gets clean. Now just wash normally and rinse the kettle and it's good to use again. The next step is to clean the microwave without extra effort. First, I'll use the prepared water vinegar mix in a microwave safe bowl. Then, to make it more efficient, I'll add juice of half a lemon. Instead of lemon, you can add 2 teaspoons of vinegar as well. I am using lemon as it leaves a nice tangy fragrance after the cleanup. Now boil this mix in the microwave for 1 minute. The fumes inside will loosen all the grime and this is the main reason why we use this trick. If the stickiness inside your microwave is more, then run it for 1 extra minute. Now add a few drops of dishwashing liquid in the same bowl and gently scrub the microwave from all sides. I'll use the brush to scrub the corners and edges well. Lastly, just wipe everything and here you have a clean and shining microwave. You can also use the same trick to clean your oven. The next problem area in the kitchen is spatulas made with wood or silicone. So here are 2 quick ways to clean them nicely. Take all your spatulas in a single container. Now boil some hot water and pour it over your spatulas and rest them for 10 minutes. While this is resting, let me show you the other trick which I also use to clean my chopping board. Sprinkle some baking soda on the board. Now on top of this, squeeze the juice of lemon. The baking soda and lemon reaction will help in releasing the stuck grime or any fungus that gets stuck on the board very easily. If the board is too dirty, then sprinkle some salt to create friction. Rubbing this mix is safe for tools like wood and iron, which have the tendency to absorb the cleaning agents. As mentioned, you can use the same for cleaning spatulas as well. And lastly, wash them with hot water. Now let's check the soaked spatulas. Hot water releases the oily dirt from the spatulas without rubbing or scrubbing. Again, wash them with hot water and dry them under the sunlight for clean and hygienic spatulas and chopping boards. The next DIY cleaner that works like a charm for your stainless steel tools and cookware is a mixture of water, vinegar and baking soda. Baking soda and vinegar are a match made in heaven to bring great shine to steel. While this whole mixture is for steel tools, I'll take some out for cleaning cookware. I'll slightly warm the mix and dip all my steel tools into the same. With regular usage, sometimes the steel cookware gets these rainbow marks or are left with some stains that get hard to remove, especially when the food is burned in the cookware. In that case, add 3 or more teaspoon vinegar into the mix and scrub the cookware. You can skip the water altogether if the stains are too tough. Just scrub it gently with vinegar and give it a regular wash with liquid detergent. No more stain marks and cookware gets clean without much effort. Tools have been soaking well, so now I'll take the tools out and quickly wash them as well. However, I'll not throw this water mix as yet. I'll heat it again and bring it to a boil. Now use this mix to also clean your steel sink to get that sparkling shine. And once done, throw all this water in the sink to get rid of any bad odor from the sink area. As promised, here's the exciting giveaway I was talking about. In the comment section, tell me which ingredient I use the most in all the 7 elements. Remember, you must subscribe to the Big Basket channel to participate and be eligible for this challenge. And first 5 correct answer will win exciting Big Basket voucher. Now moving on to my last tip. Lastly, I'll use some vinegar baking soda mix and add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Mix it and use the same for cleaning the kitchen cupboards. This releases the grease and stickiness on the cupboards very easily and does not harm the wooden ply. No need to scrub extensively as the surface will get clean with a gentle rub as well. Wipe with a wet cloth and that's it. Smooth and shining surface within no time. I hope this video was helpful, and to watch more such helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates on all the videos. Lastly, don't miss out on participating in the contest to win the Big Basket hamper, and I'll see you in my next video. See you all very soon.